hurrying me up, fool. He's always hurrying me up.
He's probably gonna come.
I can't. He's too quiet today.
Do a share? We can share.
Good size. Good size.
You ain't that big though.
We do. You guys want to start collecting?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, start collecting. I'll get you right now.
You have a cap just in case?
15,000.
What did they say they wanted the cap at?
15 and 2 grand.
2 grand?
This is up to date.
What up, B?
Okay. What lane you want? I'll take the right. Yeah. All right. That made it easy. Yeah.
That's cool.
Hey, both of us get on the trip at the same time?
Where's Josh?
Yeah, he said he's cool with it. Okay.
Yeah.
Josh is right there.
So probably just
Right there.
have him both bring us up. I mean, I'm on the foot brake. I don't have to get ready.
Sam said you're good with this. So.
Yeah, you can just bring us both up.
Yeah, bring us both up.
You have window guy, you have window guy?
Yeah, he'll be on my way.
As soon as I see 2 thumbs up, I'll pick the line. What lane are you guys?
I got left.
You got left, I got right.
What about jump?
The same. Yeah. If you're way in front, whatever.
I'm cool with the cross as long as you don't affect the other person.
Like too hard.
Yeah, like if I got a breaker, you got a breaker. Cross, that's all.
Yeah. I'm gonna tell you guys, una vez, tire crack. It's a loss. The car se infla pa frente. It's got stock brakes in the back. I have one of you guys just look at the car just in case if I do creep in, just pull me back. I have no problem pulling back. That's all I tell you guys.
Yes, no, I mean,
You know,
a stall,
sliding is one thing.
Stall is different than forward motion.
Yeah. But as soon as, the car, like I said, the car se infla para arriba.
Yeah.
But as long as the tire in the back
So
don't
as
move,
long as the car doesn't, if the car pushes,
As long as there's no forward motion.
if the car pushes forward, it's fine as long as it doesn't
Before
lift
the
to
light,
take off.
Before the light, if the light comes on, if he pushes forward and nobody stops him, if his team don't stop him, then nobody stops it. He pushes forward and the light comes on, that's a fucking loss. You know what I'm saying?
He's a I'll watch his car.
guy.
As long as, like I said, by the time I'll watch his car. But as soon as I look up to hit the light, if it happens within that, obviously I can't stop it.
Right.
But I'll be watching his car.
But you'll know.
Yeah, but I'm saying from this time, when I look up to hit the light.
I mean, any forward motion, I'm cool with it being that's a loss. I mean, the stall, I understand your person. You know, so
yeah.
And the lanes doesn't matter as long as you don't intervene with the other ones driving.
Yeah.
And I'll bang the light as quick as possible. That way you don't have to.
Yeah, I don't want to be on the convert too long.
Oh yeah, and that way his brakes.
I don't have to get ready that long. You know.
If anything,
You want to get ready first?
You got a nice car. You know how fast they get on. So
yeah.
that's why I don't want. But I mean, I know you're part of this big one stuff. I just don't want no bullshit on the flat.
As long as it's good.
Cool. All right.
Looks like left lane.
Low key kind of scared me.
Yeah, me
When
too,
Nike's
bro.
cars hit it out of the gate,
It gets
it gives me anxiety. Fucking fancy, huh?
Brincó todavía, güey.
No, he didn't. It was right on the line. This. Right on the line. Right on the fucking line.
Damn.
The car did what he said. It was gonna go. Yeah.
Exactly what he said.
Good W?
I think we got the W, but
Yeah, you did. On my video, you could tell. Yeah.
hey, they both put way too much in it.
Yeah.
Make a hole, make a hole, make a hole.
He shifted to second, but I stayed with that motherfucker. I got him like didn't shift and he pulled ahead of me.
But then he went to the right.
Third, he pulled again. But yeah, but
He's fun too. Hey, that treated you with.
yeah, that shit.
That fool treated you.
That shit.
He treated you.
No, my shit like 60 garbage. Bro.
Yeah.
Like bad. That's how I left.
Hey, look at your lights still blinking over here. You gotta stop talking to us.
Dude, that
We're giving you those pointers.
That stop shaking your grip though. I didn't even play.
That was a straight up awesome play right there. Straight up. You let him leave.
That's what I said. I said, come on, that was on play for a full break, but I'm on my car. In miles per hour, but that's okay.
240.
Hey, that's about power a lot for me.
Oh, you got a finish line?
Bro, I was like, what the fuck?
That's the finish?
Oh.
Bro, my shit was like, something. I was like, what the fuck's going on?
Fuck my love.
That's a horrible pass for
Good win. Good win.
You slipped too.
That fool just treated the fuck out of me. Second gear again. How do you not have it? I don't know what the fuck happened in second gear.
We were supposed to
I think we were lucky. We should have it. We didn't.
No,
That's what I said too. Oh, it's what you have to see too. Yeah, because I went straight. I went right through the converter on second gear. You hear my shit was just popping. Pop, pop.
No, Mike did.
I had to let off the throttle. Get
Second
back
and third, I used to get stuck. That's why.
Oh, mine did that shit too, but I
tried to hit it again.
I put it in third and I just held down and that motherfucker grabbed. I was like, okay, here we go.
You get the rematch.
Yeah, I'm down with that. Yeah. Yeah, I think we just both did the worst passes of our lives. I think, bro, like,
It is shit.
Both cars, man.
mine didn't either.
Transmission went
We
out.
went for first
I
to
don't-
neutral, basically.
I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to drive it back home. Because we always drive this car.
I mean, I feel because my shit is the same. Like I'm telling you, second gear, we had that problem when we were testing last time, but that we fixed it, put a different converter in it. I think we just blew right through the converter in the second gear and just went straight to red line. But I seen you right next to me because I was in front of you, and it blew right through the converter, and then you were already coming on me. I was like, fuck this. I grabbed third, and I just stayed in. It was like, pop, 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 and he just grabbed. I was like, okay, let's go. Fuck this.
I couldn't go nuts.
I was ready to blow that motherfucker up. Fuck you. I was like,
Yeah, from second to third, it didn't go nothing. Tried to get in it, but then it threw me completely to
Yeah, pretty bad.
now
too.
we'll get it in because that shit. My car just.
Both of you guys did like the worst passes.
Yeah, I've gone faster with my stock motor on a no prep road.
Well, this fucking.
On a no prep road.
It probably was because Sunday I drove the shit out of this car. So it's probably that. I'll fucking
Yeah, we'll
get
get
it
in.
up.
I'm gonna drop my trans this week, so we'll probably put another converter in there to see if that was it. I think that was it.
Probably for next week, like towards the end of the week. We'll be ready.
I mean, I'll try to have it ready this week. I'll probably have something coming in this week. We'll do something else.
So you guys are ready now, right?